I am at Costco today. We're going to be doing Costco and Sam's grocery haul and Walmart. I'm here with my daughter Hosanna and my little boy George. George, can you say hi?
Hi.
And there's Hosanna. We are going to try and get the whole week's groceries at Costco and Sam's. I'm going to try not to do Aldi this week. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to be able to make that, but we're going to do our best. So we're going into Costco first, and then we're going to head to Sam's, and then we have to go to Walmart for just a couple of things. We need to pick up some stuff for Operation Christmas Child boxes, and Hosanna needs to buy somebody a birthday present. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, we are back from Costco and we're back from Sam's. Didn't make it to Walmart. We ran out of steam. So we came on back and unloaded everything onto the table to show you. I spent more than I had hoped to, but it was all stuff that we really needed. I haven't been to Sam's or Costco in several weeks, so we were out of a lot of the things that we rely on to get by around here. So let me show you what we've gotten. Okay, let's start with the produce section of the table. I got two 10-pound bags of the Yukon Gold potatoes. These are back down to $5 and some change per bag per 10-pound bag, which is really good because I've paid upwards of like close to $9 per bag, which is a lot. We go through a lot of potatoes, so I went ahead and grabbed two of these. I got these at Sam's. I got these at Costco, the extra fine frozen green beans and the organic broccoli florets to go with dinners. And then I got this organic avocado mash. I'm done with trying to time fresh avocados and get them eaten on time. This is just, it ends up coming out to being less for us. I got a big bag of romaine hearts for salads this week and a 3-pack of cucumbers for the kids for snacks. Let's see here. I bought a little clamshell of raspberries at Sam's because they looked really good and I wanted them. Those will be for me and Ryan later tonight. Organic blueberries for muffins, and then I got this triple berry blend at Costco. It's really, really good. And we haven't had this in a while, so I went ahead and got that. Okay, now let's move on to the meat section. I got 2 bags of this fully cooked chicken sausage. I always serve this with oatmeal in the mornings on the 2 days per week that we have oatmeal so that the kids are getting some protein. And this is my current favorite chicken nugget. It is actually a low carb chicken nugget, which is not why I buy it. I buy it because I like the taste of this better. It's grain free, so they bread it, I think, with almond flour. And normally I'm not a fan of almond flour with anything, but these actually taste really, really good. So this is what I bought this time. And I got some Amy Lou cranberry jalapeno meatballs. I really love Amy Lou's meatballs. I think they're really delicious, and I've never tried this flavor before, so we're gonna try those out. For Hosanna and myself, I got this chicken tikka masala at Costco. We both love Indian food, and so I bought this as a special treat for the two of us when we're working hard on some big cooking project. And I got a beef roast. This one is a bottom round. This will be roasted to medium rare and then sliced thinly for sandwiches and things. I got a big pack of boneless, skinless chicken breast. This will be a dinner. And then boneless, skinless chicken thighs. This will also be a dinner. I got a pack of drumsticks, which will also be a dinner. So do you see the price difference here? This is $5.55 and this is 5.66 pounds of chicken. This one, the boneless, skinless thighs, it's $17.79 and this is 5.97, so a little bit more than the drumsticks, but also $12 more. And this one is $18.55 and that's for 6.92. So that's almost 7 pounds. That's more than a pound more, but also it's $18.55. These drumsticks make dinner so cheap. So, and the kids absolutely love them. So I try to work those in as often as I can. This is a splurge. I bought some of these wild caught sea scallops. These are mostly for me. I'm really the only person that likes them. It's a really good high protein treat though. So I got those for me. Now, these eggs, I'm not sure what we were thinking when we put these in our cart, but there are actually a lot of broken ones, as you can see. This is supposed to be 5 dozen eggs. I think there might be like half a dozen that are broken, but those are from Costco also. Okay, let's move on to the next section. I needed to get some avocado oil. This is pure avocado oil. We'll use this in place of vegetable oil in any baking that requires it. And then let's see, I got the avocado oil mayo and another little quart of maple syrup and the organic strawberry jelly. All of that is from Costco. And then I saw this raw organic sauerkraut. So I got some of this to try out. We'll see if we like that or not. I have been out of taco seasoning mix for 3 weeks now. And every time I get to the day where we make tacos, I think that I have it and I don't. So then I have to just mix something up. So I finally remembered that I don't actually have it and bought some more. Okay, now for some special treats. My family loves peppermint bark, and this is the first time I've seen it in Costco this year. So we went ahead and got some of this. Got some beef jerky, 2 packs of that. So normally I used to buy my avocado salsa at Sam's. They stopped carrying it after we fell in love with it. So I actually saw this at Costco today, and Hosanna and I got super excited. So got some of that, got some tortilla chips to go with our weekly taco meal. This is Dark Hollow. This is a beer that Ryan really loves in the fall and winter, and they have that at Costco. I got this 4 containers of the creamy peanut butter. I get this at Sam's. So this is the natural no stir, but it's not grainy. It tastes really, really good. And they don't have this at Costco. They only have this at Sam's. So, and it's a great price. I think it's $8 for the 2-pack. So I got these little fresh mozzarella pearls because this is what I actually like to use when we are making homemade sourdough pizza, because I feel like it's easier to not get clumpy cheese when you use these little pearls than if you're like slicing a log of fresh mozzarella, it clumps, and I don't like that. So I actually really enjoy using these pearls instead. So I got those at Sam's. I picked up the obligatory block of Parmigiano Reggiano from Sam's. Basically, every time I go to Costco or Sam's, I buy one of these because it would be a travesty if we ran out in our house. I got this bunch of spray roses. This was only $10 at Sam's, and I found that their flowers tend to last a full week for me. Costco's roses they generally just last 3 or 4 days. So I thought that these were really pretty. So we'll put those around the house. Then we got a big thing of Diet Coke. This is the sparkling water that we've been enjoying lately. It actually has fruit juice in it, but it's not sweetened at all, and it's really yummy. This was at Costco. It was the cranberry raspberry, so we're going to try that. My daughter asked me to pick this up as a birthday present for my oldest son. He turns 21 on Friday, and this is one of his favorite drinks, so she asked me to get him a big container of it at Costco. So I got that for her. Got some apple cider. That'll be a fun treat one night. And then I went ahead and bought 2-3 packs of the sparkling grape juice for Thanksgiving dinner. So thinking ahead just a little bit. So all in all, it's a lot of groceries. Oh, I forgot. I got toilet paper at Sam's. Sam's has the very best toilet paper I have found. It's like Charmin. I think it's made by Charmin probably. Great price, great toilet paper. So this is everything. I will have to go back to the store once to get fresh shrimp for my son's birthday celebration. He asked for shrimp linguine for his birthday dinner and a chocolate mousse tarts. So I am going to have to run and get that, but I didn't want to buy the shrimp this far in advance. I want to wait and get them when they're a little bit more fresh. So let me pull out my receipts real quick and we'll go over how much everything was. Okay, I am sitting here under my cozy blanket now and getting ready to show you. Okay, so at Costco, I spent $355.31, and the nice man that checked us out at the door drew this cute little smiley face for George because George was wearing a bow tie because he wears a bow tie at church, and the man said that he was dressed nicely to come to Costco. So he drew George the smiley face, which was really, really sweet. And then at Costco, there it is, Alistair. At Costco, I spent $155.71. So the grand total for both places is, and like I said, these groceries will get us through this whole week, except for the birthday dinner. And will get us through a lot of the staples, will get us through the next week as well. So thank you for joining me on this shopping trip. Bye.